You're not supposed to know this, but I'm telling you anyway, because the system you're in, it was built to keep you working for money. But the ultra-wealthy don't trade time for income. They design systems that make them money, even when they stop showing up. While you're saving and waiting, they're compounding leverage. Tax-free income, off-market deals, asset shields that protect and grow. They don't hustle harder. They just own the machine. Most people think earning more is the answer. It's not. Real wealth happens when you step outside the income trap entirely. It's called the Ultra High Net Worth Playbook, a framework built on tax design, legal structures, private equity, and legacy control. It's not hype, it's architecture. If you follow rules made for workers, you'll live like one. But once you see the system from above, everything changes. If you want to grow financially, make sure you follow me. Your future self will thank you.